Hey guys, welcome back to another video as we continue working on our Mountainfall diorama, and this time we will be working on the Flood Abomination. So that's going to be the creature that we add into the island. So let's get into it. So I'm first flipping through my sketchbook just to find my drawing references. It's something that I'm starting to implement now whenever I create things in general. It helps to streamline the process more and helps with visualizing as I'm building to make sure that it's reflecting the initial design and the initial image, like the vision that I have for what it's supposed to be. So this is the Flood Abomination so far. I've just been working on the 3D pen structure for majority of the time. You can see on the inside I used some old support filament, or some 3D supports that were going to get thrown out. So I used it to fill up the space on the inside. And then I drew out these individual shapes, molded them onto the giant web ball that I made here, and now I'm filling in all the gaps. Eventually I'm going to put some lights for the eyes, and there's still a lot more to go to this, but I will show you the design. So this is roughly what it's going to look like. This is the side view here. This is the front view. That's what the eyes look like on each side. Giant light inside the mouth. Some energy vents go around the entire neck, and some tentacles, and then a giant booster will go on the back. So you can kind of see the overall shape so far. Right, that's like the booster thing that'll be at the back, and then I still have to put the cylinders all the way around the neck for the energy. Drill in some holes for the eyes. I'm still leaving this open so I can work with it and add stuff to the inside. But yeah. If you enjoyed that video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot them down in the comments or send them to me directly. We've got a lot more in store for the Mountainfall diorama and just projects in general. So looking forward to that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.